Okay, welcome to another episode of my Road to 100K in Crypto series, where I daily journal a couple of my crypto wallets, just to see how the balance is growing or not. And yeah, we're basically tracking this journey just to see how long it takes to get to 100K. If at all we get to 100K. I'm pretty confident we will. It's just a matter of time. Investing is a long-term thing. It's a long game. It's not a short-term game. It's a long-term game. And those that are able to endure and have patience, and be diligent through the ups and downs of the markets, they will eventually be the winners. And so I'm hoping to use this journal as well to encourage other people who are on an investment journey, maybe a crypto journey, maybe other investments. And sometimes, it gets tough. Waiting is tough because you want those gains now. You want that 100K now. You want that million now. But it's a journey and it takes patience. Right, anyway, so where are we at today? Let's look at the balance today. The balance today in this wallet is $19,027. It was a little bit higher because Bitcoin was sitting at 105K or so earlier today. But it looks like there's been a bit of a sell-off and it's come back down. But that's okay. So 19,027 in this wallet. So we've basically still kind of in the similar position that we were in a day or two ago when I last made a video, which is cool. We don't mind holding and keeping what we have. It's a better feeling than when your wallet balance drops significantly. So we're not mad at that. Let's see what this wallet's saying. This wallet is sitting at $17,362, which isn't bad. I think this one is up from the last time we checked it. I think it was just sitting at around 17,000. So this particular wallet is up around $300 at the time of recording this video. And so we're still around that $36,000 mark in our journey. Hoping to hit that milestone of 100K. I don't know. I'm hoping it will be within the next 2 to 3 years, depending on how this year goes. Maximum, I think 5 years is realistic. I'm hoping to see significant moves in XRP. Initially, when I started this journey, I was just going to hold the crypto that I had, and I wasn't going to add more. I was going to put my money into other assets and wanted to up my holdings in equities, like in stocks and exchange traded funds, ETFs. But I'm having a bit of a change of heart. I think I might still allocate a bit more into XRP, especially because I also started another journey with a smaller wallet that has about just under $300 in it. And that particular journey is just to encourage those with smaller budgets who are getting started, and just to see how you can grow small amounts over time to make significant changes in your finances. So because of that, I'm going to be buying more crypto, especially for that wallet, to track that journey. If you're interested in following that particular journey, it will also be on my channel. And by the title, you'll know which series is which, because I think the title of that particular journey is growing your wallet from nothing to, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, but you'll be able to figure it out when you get to the channel. So if you're interested in following that journey, make sure you check those videos out. If you're somebody that maybe has a smaller money to allocate into investments, and maybe you think it's pointless trying to grow a small balance, even if you're only able to afford like 20 to $50 a week. I'm telling you, it's still worth it. Putting something away towards your future is always better than putting nothing away at all. So follow that journey. And to do that, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help me like this video as well, if you like what I'm doing with this journey. And if you just want to follow along and you're interested to see, is this thing real? People are always telling us invest and, it's the long game. But what does the long game look like? And what are the results of diligently investing over time? Essentially, that's what this series is all about. It's a bit of an experiment as well. I believe in crypto. I believe crypto is the future of finance. But the only way to find out is to put it to test and see. Will my balance go to nothing? Nobody has a crystal ball. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We're all optimistic and we make decisions based on what we think the future looks like. But for all I know, this thing could crash and I lose everything. But it's interesting. I want to document this journey. It's a bit of an experiment as well. So that 5 years' time, I could be looking back and thinking, wow, 5 years ago, my crypto holdings in these wallets were sitting at $35,000, and here we are 5 years later, and it's $100 and something thousand, or maybe it's down to zero. It'll be interesting. But if you want to know, if you want to follow that journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. And like I said, if you want to see the other journey with a smaller portfolio, with a smaller balance, and see how that grows over time, in that particular one, I'm going to be putting in $20 to $50 a week. And let's see how that grows. Let's see what that journey looks like 5 years down the line. So, yeah. So if you want to follow that journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow for another update.